Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to insert SIM card and memory card into Samsung Galaxy A05s. So here is my Galaxy A05s and here is the box. And first I will look inside the box because I need a needle, and this is the needle, and with this one I will remove the SIM tray from my phone. Okay, so here we go. The SIM tray is located here in the left side of your phone, and just put this needle inside the hole like this and push it. Okay, and now remove the SIM tray, and here we can put two nano SIM cards and one memory card, and let's do it. And this is the first SIM. Okay, and this is the right position. Now let's put the second SIM. Okay, this is the right position, and now let's put the memory SD card. And this is how it looks, and if everything is okay, if you turn on the back the SIM tray, the SIM cards will don't fall. Okay, now just put the SIM tray inside your phone like this and push it, and that's all. It is very easy. And if you have a SIM card pin, just enter it. Mine, I guess it's 40, and then okay. And also I will draw my pattern, and now my phone will start. It is very easy. If you want to remove the SIM cards, just repeat this action. Just put the needle inside the hole, push it, and remove the SIM tray. And now remove these two SIMs and also the memory card, and that's all. So I hope this tutorial to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.